The Jordan Spizike returns in 2025, carrying both heritage and innovation. First introduced in 2006 as a hybrid of classic Air Jordans, it merged the AJ3 sole with elephant print, AJ4 wings, AJ5 mesh and eyelets, and AJ6 tongue, instantly carving out its place in sneaker culture. Now, the latest edition takes on a military-inspired design with an olive base, brown suede mudguards, dark gray elephant print, and black accents across its wings, tongue, and sole, creating a rugged yet stylish look. Beyond aesthetics, the sneaker celebrates Spike Lee's cultural impact through his Mars Blackmon persona, which played a pivotal role in elevating Air Jordan's fame, and honors his 40 acres and a Mule Filmworks legacy. Priced at $165, the Spizike's comeback embodies Jordan brand's storytelling tradition, blending history, design, and cultural influence into a sneaker that represents both fashion and legacy.